Wait till the end to find out what lions do that might shock you. You won't believe facts. Lions are the only big cats that live in groups, called prides. A lion's roar can be heard from up to 5 miles away. That's louder than a rock concert. Male lions sleep up to 20 hours a day. Talk about lazy kings. They can run up to 50 miles per hour, but only in short bursts. When food is scarce, lionesses will steal from each other and even fight. Lions are fierce, fast, and full of surprises. Want more wild facts? Hit like, share, and follow for the next one.